These residents are reeling after 2 schools were hit by Israeli Defense Force in Gaza. Israeli forces have stepped up airstrikes across the besieged enclave. People in Gaza have once again been told to evacuate their homes in the eastern neighborhood of Khan Yunis.
What public order can we expect from 2 million people who are constantly forced to move around a devastated strip of narrow land during heavy fighting? And without public order, there will never be accountability and protection. Protection is urgently needed for the civilian population in Gaza.
As the political temperature continues to rise in the Middle East, an explosion has been had in southern Lebanon. Almost 100,000 Lebanese have been displaced, as well as 60,000 Israelis, amid cross-border hostilities between Hezbollah and the Israeli forces. Lebanon has also received emergency medical supplies to equip its hospitals as there are fears of a full-scale conflict.
Our responsibility is to ensure that we have, emergency supplies and trauma kits all the referral hospitals in the country. And we are working very closely with the Minister of Health as well as other partners to facilitate and to ensure that these supplies are ready for an eventuality. And I think that is testimony of what we see today, that we have received this cargo who are bringing large consignment of trauma kits just to ensure in Lebanon we do have a supply.
The United States says it has communicated with Iran and Israel that conflict must not escalate.
We continue to work intensely to de-escalate tensions in the Middle East and to prevent the spread of conflict. Over the past few days, we've been in constant contact with partners in the region and well beyond. In those conversations, we've heard a clear consensus. No one should escalate this conflict. We've been engaged in intense diplomacy with allies and partners, communicating that message directly to Iran. We communicated that message directly to Israel.
Kylie Kumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.